What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. I hope you're ready to disco. Not really. I think disco means dancing. I'm really not too sure what disco is, other than like that era in the 80s. Was it in the 80s? I don't know much about that disco, but what I do know is this disco is a men's skincare company made clean, cruelty-free, vegan, natural, and easy to use. Today we're going to unbox disco skincare products, try them out, and get your first impressions together. So keep on watching.
George.
It's George.
George, do feel lighter.
It's George.
You're real smart, aren't you, George?
𝗬𝗫.
It's George.
𝗬𝗫.
How do people disco? I have no idea. Ew. Most importantly, today's video is about welcoming disco to the men's beauty community. This company is all about keeping it clean, natural, and easy to use, something that we could all benefit from. Now, there's a lot of skincare brands that are up and coming within the men's beauty industry, but disco is different. All their products are cruelty-free, vegan, natural, and most importantly, clean. You guys, I'm all about clean beauty. We gotta be careful on what you put on your face. So if there's a company that sells every skincare product you could possibly imagine that you need, this company has it. And all of them are clean. So I appreciate that. For good laugh, you guys, I actually have a little tea plate here for my monster because I don't want to like get water spots on my desk. But how extra is this? I'm sitting here like filming. I'm like, what is wrong with you, George? What? I honestly have no idea what is in this box, but Disco was kind enough to reach out to me to give their skincare products a try. So of course I said yes. I just want to make sure to tell you guys this is not a paid promotion and I'm not an affiliate. So that is important to know, guys. Of course, no matter what though, my opinion is always honest, right? All right, so the box is pretty cool, as we can see. And here we go. It says #Let'sDisco. And you can actually find these products at letsdisco.com. Of course, I will leave a link in the description down below. We have a little welcome message here. Meet your new sink side essentials. You guys, it looks like we have 4 products here. One being a face cleanser, a deodorant, face moisturizer, and this is a face mask. I'm very excited. So we're just gonna do a little first impressions here. I'm gonna check out these products and I don't know, let's look at the packaging. This is the face cleanser. And I like how the packaging is very simple. It is gray, so it's, you know, unisex, but masculine, of course. And let's see how the actual bottle looks. Oh wow, it feels really soft. Their packaging is very, very unique. This is like a soft, like matte finish. And face cleanser eucalyptus. You guys, I love the scent of eucalyptus. The feeling of it too, because it's like a very therapeutic feeling, but it's good for calming your skin. It's like a really nice redness reduction ingredient, in my opinion. And actually, with that being said, I want to see if I could smell this. So you screw this off. What is this? How do you, oh my gosh, so it actually, you screw the bottom. Oh my god, this is very weird. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Wait, what? Do you like roll this on your face? Directions. Apply stick gently onto your face. Wet hands and softly rub into your face, avoiding area under the eyes. Rinse after use. Okay, so this is plastic right here. I'm like, wait, what is that plastic? But actually, this plastic comes off and you just like rub the stick on your face and you wash it that way. Okay, hopefully I can push this back in. All right, we're good. I've never seen a cleanser like this ever, so it's pretty cool. The ingredients though are something that really sticks out to me because they do strive to be natural and clean. Glycerin is the first ingredient. There's aloe in here. There is, let's see, coconut oil, love that. And eucalyptus, of course. Water's in here. Some acids are in here, but again, everything is clean and natural, so live. I'm a little shook by that stick face cleanser action. That's really different. Next we have a face mask, a purifying charcoal and eucalyptus face mask for men who want to go to the extra mile for their face. All right, we always want to go the extra mile, right? Everything is, 2 things here are eucalyptus oriented. Guys, I have to say, like, eucalyptus is probably one of my favorite scents and ingredients. So I'm living right now. I have to say, out of any products I've ever tried, this bottle and like these jars are just so like, they feel different. They're very soft. They're aesthetically pleasing, and I love this color, by the way. But this is a face mask eucalyptus, and it's a 15 to 20 minute mask. Love that. And basically it's charcoal based. So I love charcoal, guys. It's great for detoxifying. It's a great like cleaning type product to use for a nice, you know, cleaning treatment. Charcoal, the house, that is very charcoaly. Love the color, first off. And it smells very, not so much eucalyptus, but very minty. It has like a very therapeutic type scent to it, which I appreciate. And of course, charcoal, guys, is great for detoxifying and like giving you like a nice clean. And if you are oily type of skin, then this is gonna be great for you. So I'm excited to try this out. Of course, guys, what I'm going to do is, although this is like a first impressions, I am gonna try these products out, and I will keep you updated not only on the description box down below in this video, but also on my Instagram as well. So stay up to date on there. My Instagram will be on the bottom of the screen if you guys want to follow me on there. But that is the mask, and next we have a deodorant. So seriously, this company is not joking. Like when they say they have everything in one spot that you might need for your body, they're not joking. They have a deodorant too, so it's pretty cool. This is eucalyptus scented as well, guys. This might be my new favorite deodorant, not gonna lie. A lot of people don't pay attention to this, but the ingredients in your deodorant is very important as well. And this one actually says it's natural, vegan, aluminum-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free. So they're free, they're clean, they are natural, the house. That's amazing. You don't really come across a lot of deodorants that work and are natural, so I'm praying this works because it's eucalyptus oriented, and guys, again, living. Packaging is sick. It's the exact same color as the face mask, and soft as well, of course. But let me go ahead and see how this works. This is a screw off as well. I guess you have to pull, oh, that's what you do. You pull off the plastic top, and Pearl, my cat is meowing down there. That smells amazing. It smells very clean, very fresh. And this could definitely be a unisex. I'm gonna put some on right now, guys. But all these lights, I'm kind of sweating right now, so don't judge me. Gotta stay fresh. Gotta stay fresh 100% all the time. So last product that we have here in the box is a face moisturizer. You guys, there's never too much of moisturizer. I can have a million moisturizers laying around and I could still be like, I need more, I need more. Here we go. And of course, this is soft too. Love that. And the size is pretty great. 3.38 fluid ounces, 100 milliliters. And of course, it says eucalyptus right there too. I'm living for this everything eucalyptus. I'm wondering if this is like their first launch, and like a second launch of stuff will be like different scented / ingredient wise. And that's pretty sick. But let's go ahead and, oh, gotta peel off the thing here. I'm not a fan of having fragrance in my skincare, but I mean, if it's natural and it's eucalyptus, why not? So let's just see how the texture is of this. Just squeeze it. And it seems like it's very light and fluffy. Oh yeah, this is definitely a great base moisturizer. Honestly, when it comes to like my daytime moisturizer, I like it to be more on the light side. I don't like it to be thick because my skin is combo of oily and dry. So if I use one that's a little too thick, my skin's gonna be oily for the entire day. But this, that is nice. And the scent isn't too obnoxious or anything like that. Oh wow, that is really nice, guys. But you know what? Let's actually try this moisturizer on my face right now, because earlier today I applied a thick vitamin C product, which still has me feeling a little bit moisturized, but I can always use a little more. So let's give this a go. Do not judge my corona hair, you guys. I know it is ridiculous, but what are you gonna do? So I'm just gonna use that much right now. And this doesn't seem like a product that you're gonna need a lot of, because it seems like it's kind of liquidy but creamy at the same time. So I think a little bit's gonna go a long way. We actually have spare there, so I'm gonna put on my neck. And just like the hand, this actually disperses very evenly. And it does smell great. It does have like that minty, mentholy type scent as you're rubbing it in, so I like that. But again, it's not like overpowering or anything. That went on very easily. Smells great, and it looks like it's slowly absorbing into my skin. So it's not like a fast adhering moisturizer, but it's definitely one that's gonna sink into your skin and like feed your skin. It's not gonna like sit on your face all day, which is the type of moisturizer I do not like, because again, combo skin with a heavy moisturizer, I'm gonna look like oil face all day, and that is not cute. All these products seem very promising, guys. I'm very excited to give these a go, and of course, again, I will update the description box down below if you guys want to keep up to date with me on these products. And who knows, maybe I'll make a dedicated video on one of these depending on like how it works for me. If you guys want a video like that, sound off in the comment section down below too. But prices are pretty great, guys. The face cleanser stick is only 16 bucks. I didn't mention it before, but this is actually 2.12 ounces, so it's pretty good size. The moisturizer is $24, and the face mask is $34. It's a little hefty, but again, this is huge. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to sit down and film this unboxing and share this moment together, because again, we have another staple in the men's beauty community, and that's huge, guys. Just a few years ago, there weren't skincare brands that were dedicated just to men. So to see yet another one make an impact in the industry is huge. I appreciate it. I'm excited for Disco. I'm gonna link all their information down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out for yourself. letsdisco.com is their website. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I informed you about a brand that you had no idea existed. If you found this video to be fun, entertaining, helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, multiple times a week. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram, again, is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me in there too. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.